I'm trying to hold it together.
I don't believe it
First of all, thank you all for coming here. It really means a lot. What a ride this has been. It's been challenging yet rewarding. First of all, I want to thank my family for supporting me, whether it was through FaceTime or coming here from Puerto Rico or Florida. To my nieces, Gianna, Kiara, and Sutton, for always bringing me a smile whenever I had a good day or a bad day. Lo amo. To Juan, for being my rock and pushing me when I needed the most. You know how challenging this film can be. So thank you for believing in me when sometimes I had a little, not so much doubt. I had doubt in myself. Te amo. Thank you to all the case doctors for your support and feedback, especially Dr. Summerall, Dr. Finley, and Dr. Madden. Thank you for your advice, jokes, all our talks in our office, and especially answering all my questions that we know they were a lot. Dr. Hawk, where are you? I'm trying to find you. Dr. Hawk, thank you for teaching me and guiding me about pediatric care and chiropractic. Dr. Sussman and Dr. Guest, I can't thank you enough for your care and encouragement. To all the faculty and staff in Scotland, thank you for all you guys do, because without you guys, I wouldn't be here today. To Princess, Caroline, trying to find you.
I'm here too.
Caroline, Jansen, and Jerry. Thank you for all your hard work you guys do in the clinic. The clinic wouldn't survive with you guys, literally. To my patients, thank you for letting me practice my art. Thank you for all of our conversations and allowing me to help your body adapt to achieve a better quality of life as possible. To my cohort, thanks for being an amazing group. I honestly enjoy every class with you all the jokes, all the pranks, all the little insights that we had. I will cherish them forever. I believe everything happens for a reason, and I'm glad I'm in this cohort. C Hall is definitely the best hall. To my friends, thank you for being my home away from home, my confidants, giving me food and letting me stay at your guys' house, whether it's to cry or vent or whatever. It wouldn't be the same without you guys. To Jesus, we've been together since quarter one. Thanks for being a great friend. And you're welcome for being your counter these past 3.5 years to remind me all of life. To my Puerto Rican family still at Sherman. This is going to be in Spanish. Sigan metiendo lenguaje ustedes. Sigan poniendo Puerto Rico en alto. No duden de su potencial. Saben que estoy aquí siempre. Lastly, I want to thank myself for accomplishing a dream that I always wanted since ninth grade. Being that today is Disney Day here at school, I found it perfect to say a quote from Cinderella. If you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true, so keep believing. I'm so excited and ready to impact the world.
Well, I'm not going to be as elaborate as she is, but first and foremost, I do have to thank God more than anything else. It's something that's guided me through this program. It's definitely not an easy program, for sure. Thank you, case doctors. Thank you, Summerall. Thank you, Finley. Thank you, Madden. For the, like she said, the amount of questions we ask and how much we bother you and scare you, especially for Summerall. Thank you for all that. Thank you for guiding us. Thank you for all the case doctors as well for whenever I had a question and technique, guiding me and explaining to me, for sure. That is a big thing for us as students. Thank you for the faculty in Scotland as well. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. Thank you for my cohort. It's been an amazing cohort, for sure. It's been accepting. It's a second family away from home. It really is. Thank you for the fraternity, Delta Sigma Chi. It's definitely been a growth process since joining about 2.5 years ago, I believe. So it's definitely been a journey. Thank you for my patience. I see that one of my patients is here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for trusting me with your care while as an intern.
It wasn't a problem, it was kind of fun.
Thank you to the front desk, Princess, Zoe, Jerry, Caroline. This has been an amazing experience, just being in the clinic with you guys, for sure. Thank you. I do have one message for future interns and interns that are coming in right now. Make the best of clinic. Don't fight with your case doctors. Listen to them. They know what they're talking about. Let yourself be guided. It's not an easy process. It's hard. It's challenging, and at times we're going to cry, period. But at the end of the day, it is worth it. So keep your head high. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. I promise. Plus that. But thank you all. Thank you, Chris, for the jokes, for the demos. But without further ado, thank you all. And we're almost out of here.